Hi folks, in this trading video I'm going to show you that even I sometimes misjudge the course of the tennis game and incur that red figure on the screen. Well, I'm just messing. I've stressed it many times over and over again. Incurring loss is a normal part of the Betfair trading process. It happens to everyone. But when it comes to earning long-term income, only those who can manage the losses and stay calm when the market goes against them will succeed. So have a look here at the match between Tursunov and Gulbis in Zagreb indoors. So far the game has been quite even, and despite Tursunov leading by 1 game point, Gulbis is still the favourite of the match. However, right now I'm going to lay him, assuming that Tursunov has quite good prospects of scoring at least a few points in the next game. If you ask why, then here's the answer. He scored nearly all points in the previous game, and that is some indicator to consider. So I'm laying Gulbis at 1.84 using a €100 stake, and the bet gets matched. Now I have to closely follow the match and see how Tursunov performs. Should Gulbis gain the advantage by more than 2 points in the next game, I'm going to immediately back him and exit the trade with a loss. Well, at the beginning, Tursunov takes Gulbis's serves very well, and when the score becomes 30-15, the price drifts out to 1.93. Another point scored by Tursunov, and he can possibly break in this game. This in turn means a nice price increase for Gulbis, and I'm waiting to see if that's going to happen. In this game, however, the opposite takes place, and I'm forced to get out with an €11 loss. Not a big one, and I already knew that. How? Simply because Gulbis was serving, and despite him winning this game, the price didn't drift out big time. The most important point to make now is under no circumstances allow yourself to give in to the emotions and start stressing out. First of all, if you know the right moments to trade on, the potential profit can be much bigger than the loss you will occasionally incur. In this case, had Tursunov won the game, I'd make more than just €11 profit, so in the long run my profits will always balance out the losses I incur. And of course, I've looked at all such moments and described them into the very detail in my tennis trading league systems. As the match went on, I executed another trade, wiping out the tiny loss, and now I'm going to show you how the very same strategy that made me accept an €11 loss is going to result into a roughly 3 times bigger profit. I'm laying Gulbis at 1.70, using the same €100 stake, and the bet gets matched. This is the deciding game in the set, and I can expect Tursunov to try to win this set by all means. The players score an even amount of points each, and I have to be prepared to close the trade at any moment should Gulbis take the lead now. When Tursunov is just 1 point from winning the set, I'm placing the back bet and a nice €28 profit is secured. Not bad, is it?